In this video, we can observe termites bridging over a physical sheeting material on a brick house. As you can see, they've gone straight over it behind a downwater pipe into the structure, causing significant damage.
You can see copter termi slack tie soldier coming out to defend the colony. Just breaking off a little tiny piece to not disturb them much on the slab edge, passing through the mesh barrier.
In this next video, we can observe termites bridging over 2 points over a physical management system inbuilt at time of construction.